You don't look good, do you? Bring it here, you. Bring it here, you. Come here. Here. You ready? You ready? You ready? Good try. Oh, good girl. Well, as you can see, my pier, wharf, dock, whatever you guys want to call it. We always call it wharfs growing up, but that's been there since 2013. So that's 7 years. I put that cube there. It's 250 gallons, 1,000 liters, fill it full of water. But what happens is we get 4 feet of ice here all the time. And when that ice the pressure from the ice pushes on whatever you got there, and I'm telling you, it's a huge force, and it's a job to get anything to last, actually. So I'm going to try a little experiment this year. I know it'll work fine for the summer. I'm going to put a little frame there that's about the same size as that cube, and just put the top of my wharf, which is right there, just lay it right on top. And you'll see when I bring the frame down in a second, it's a very simple one. So if it happens to get crushed by the ice next spring, it's just a matter of 20 minutes or a half hour, and I'll have a new frame built, very cheap, and put back in place. So let's give it a try. Get out in the water, Sally Sue. She likes to water, but she's not real fussy about swimming for some reason. She will, but she's not like a dog that will be out in the water swimming all the time. Yeah, she's in hard shape. Hard to believe that you would take that solid block of ice and damage it like that. What a formidable force. Now I've got to rake up the little bits of metal that's left on the bottom there. Clean that up first. Here's the frame I got built. Just simply about 2 pieces of 4x4x8 and about 3 pieces is 2x4x8. A few deck screws. Cost me very little, less than 50 bucks. here's gonna be the fun part. I'm by myself this morning. I'm not sure I'm gonna be able to lift it or not. I think I'll give my son a shout and ask him to come down and give me a hand. It's too heavy for one person. I gotta put that roast in the oven anyway. It's black bear roast. Been marinating in there now for at least a couple hours. Bit of onion soup mixed through on top, and that's it. Put it right in the oven. I think I'll water my vegetables while I'm waiting for Andrew now. Certain things you cannot do by yourself. All I had to do was put those two hooks there, but I just couldn't lift everything all at one time, so now she's in place. That's got to happen in a second here now, yeah. Holy smokes, look at that. How's that for a fluke? There you have it, guys, all finished. Again, there's only 3 components here. The main deck coming out, this deck on top, and that new piece of something for underneath. So we'll see how it goes. Worst case scenario, I'd replace that once every couple of years or whatever, maybe never. Again, we'll wait and see what nature has in store across there. Well, I'm getting kind of hungry, and that bear roast has been just stewing along now for about 5 hours. So I can imagine it's pretty tender. I'm gonna pull it out now, have some supper, and maybe take a little ride on Sea-Doo. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Leave me a tip or two in the comment section. And until the next video, take care of each other, get outside, and enjoy everything outdoors. Even building wharfs, or piers, or dock, or whatever you call it. Thanks, guys. See you next time. Ho, ho, ho. You don't look good, yeah?